Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into an administrator account and that any unsaved work is backed up. System Restore won't touch personal files, but changes can occur. Next, open Start, type Create a Restore Point, and select the System Properties dialog. This puts you straight into Restore controls. Once there, click System Restore to launch the wizard and view available restore points. This first actionable step shows what points you can undo to revert system changes. Now you pick the specific restore point you want to undo or revert to. Choose by date and description so you know what state you're returning to. Make sure to click Scan for affected programs so you understand which drivers or apps will be removed or restored. That explains why some hardware or apps may behave differently afterward. Once satisfied, confirm the restore. Your PC will restart to apply the change. Let it finish, and don't interrupt the process or power off during the operation. Once the system restarts, you verify plan changes. Check drivers, apps, and settings to confirm the undo achieved the intended result. Make sure to re-enable any security software or services that were temporarily disabled. If the undo didn't work or Windows won't boot, restart into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment to run System Restore again or use Startup Repair. These options let you undo or retry safely. Finally, create a fresh restore point after fixes so you can recover more easily next time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.